Children, let us solve the questions in the exercise 1.2. The questions are on the base of divisibility test. Here the first question is, if 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So you take the number here. The number is given there 21y5, and here it is given that this number is a multiple of 9, means this number is divisible by 9. This number is multiple of 9 means it is now divisible by 9. So here one unknown is there, that is y. Y value you have to find out. So here use the divisibility test by 9. You know that when the number is a multiple of 9, means when a number is divisible by 9 means the sum of all the digit is also divisible by 9. Here 21y5 is divisible by 9 means 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is divisible by 9. Therefore you can write 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equals to 9 or 18 or 27, like this way. Here the sum of this is 2, 1 and 5 is, that is 8. 8 plus y is equals to 9. So you can write y is equals to 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. So if y is equals to 1, it becomes a number divisible by 5. So it becomes a number 2, 1. In the place of y, let us put 1, 5. So here it becomes 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So if you want to have the sum 18. Now you try to have the sum 18. Here already the sum of this 2 plus 1 plus 5 is 8 means here y must be equals to 10. It is not possible because here y is a digit. Therefore you can consider y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. Second question, if 31z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Here it is given that 31z5 is a multiple of 9, means it is divisible by 9. If 31z5 is multiple of 9, it is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. So if it is divisible by 9 means the sum of all the digit is also divisible by 9. That is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is a multiple of 9, means it is equals to 9 or 18 or 27, so on. So first let us try to have 9 here. First, what is the sum of these 3, 1 and 5? That is 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus z is equals to 9. If you want to have the sum 9, and then z is equals to 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Here you got the value of z, that is equals to 0, which is a digit. Again, if you want to have the sum 18, try to have the sum 18, that is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equals to 18. Here the sum of 3, 1 and 5 is 9 plus z is equals to 18. So z is equals to 18 minus 9, that is also is equals to 9, then z is equals to 9. Here you got the values for z. Here z is equals to 0 or z is equals to 9. And if you want to have this sum 27, here the z must be 18, and 18 is not a digit, so you can't get the value of 27. So to have the sum 9 and to have the sum 18, you can get the value z is equals to 0 and z is equals to 9. Therefore, if 3, 1, z5 is a multiple of 9, and what is the value of z means z is equals to 0 or z is equals to 9. So if z is equals to 0, the number becomes 3105, and if z is equals to 9, the number becomes 3195. 3195. Here 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 9, and 9 is a multiple of 9 and it is divisible by 9, and 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 is equals to 18. 18 is a multiple of 9 and it is a divisible by 9. In this way, we got the value of z. Here you got two values for z, 0 and 9. Third question. If 2, 4x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Here the number is 2, 4x and x is also one of the digit. Here 2, 4 and x are the three digits of the number 2, 4x. Now the question is, here we have to find the value of x. You know that the divisibility test by 3 is the sum of the digits in the number must be divisible by 3. So if 2, 4x is a multiple of 3 means it is divisible by 3. Therefore, 2 plus 4 plus x is a multiple of 3. That is 3, 6, 9, like this way. 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. Here 2 plus 4 plus x equals 3 or 6 or 9 or 12, so on. So if you want to have the sum 3, here already the sum of 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus x is not possible to make it equals to 3, and you can make it equals to 6. Then therefore here x equals 6 minus 6, that is equals to 0. The value of x is 0 to get 6. And next, if you take 6 plus x is equals to 9, then x is equals to 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. If you want to get the sum equals to 12, 6 plus x is equals to 12, then x is equals to 12 minus 6, that is equals to 6. And next, if you want to have the next one, that is the next number is here, that is 15. Try to have 15. 6 plus x equals 15. So x is equals to 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. And next number after 15, the multiple of 3 is 18. So try to have 18 here. 6 plus x is equals to 18. Then x is equals to 18 minus 6, that is 12. 12 is not a digit. Here x must be a digit. So here this is not the digit of x. So these are the values of x. X must be equals to 0, or it must be equals to 3, or it must be equals to 6, or it must be equals to 9. The values of x are 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. X equals 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. These are the 4 chances for the value of x. The value of x may be 0, then it is divisible by 3 because the sum becomes 6. If the value of x is 3, the sum becomes 9, and then also it is divisible by 3. If the value of x is 6, the sum becomes 12, then also it is divisible by 6. And if the value of x is 9, then the sum becomes 15, then also it is divisible by 3. So these are the possible values of x, where 2, 4x is a multiple of 3. So let us take the question number 4. If 3, 1, z5 is a multiple of 3, where z is a digit, what might be the value of z? Here, if 3, 1, Z5 is a multiple of 3 means the sum of the digits 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5 must be equals to 3 or 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. So the sum of these 3 is already 3 plus 1 plus 5 is, that is 9 plus Z. And you know that here the sum of 9 plus Z cannot be equals to 3, as here Z is a digit and that must be, digit means it is always positive value. So you take 9 plus Z is equals to 9. 3 and 6 are here not possible to get the sum of 9 plus Z as 3 and 6. So you take 9 here and then Z becomes equals to, therefore Z is equals to 9 minus 9. You got one value, that is Z is equals to 0. 0 is also a digit. Next you take 9 plus Z is equals to 12. Then the value of Z becomes Z is equals to 12 minus 9, that is 3. So the second value is Z is equals to 3. 3 is also digit. Next 9 plus Z is equals to 15. Then Z is equals to 15 minus 9, that is 6. That is one of the possible value of Z. 6 is the one of the value of Z here. Next you take 9 plus Z is equals to, next you can have 18 also. So you take 18. Then it becomes Z is equals to 18 minus 9, that is equals to 9. 18 minus 9, that is equals to 9. Next if you want to have 9 plus Z is equals to, next one is here 21. Try here. Z is equals to 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. 12 is not a digit, it is number. So you can't consider this. So you can consider here, you know that Z is equals to 3, Z is equals to 0, Z is equals to 3, Z is equals to 6, Z is equals to 9. These are the possible values of Z. Therefore 0, 3, 6, 9 might be the value of Z. Out of any one, out of 0, 3, 6, 9, you can have any one of the value for Z to have the multiple of 3. So 3, 1, Z5 is a multiple of 3 if the value of Z is equals to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9.